Welcome back to the Ausdirect Migration channel, your go-to source for navigating Australian immigration. Today, we bring you significant developments affecting Australia's immigration landscape. Let's talk about the National Innovation Visa, which is also known as Subclass 858. This visa was previously known as the Global Talent Visa. It offers direct permanent residency to exceptional global talent recognized in one of Australia's priority sectors. Let's look at why this visa is so special. Compared to general skilled migration programs, the National Innovation Visa offers direct permanent residency. There is no age cap, no points test, and no employer sponsorship requirement. It also offers faster processing for outstanding applicants. Now let's look at who can apply. Eligible applicants include internationally recognized researchers, entrepreneurs, investors, elite athletes, and creative professionals. You must show that you are prominent in your field, currently active, and likely to earn a high income in Australia. There can be exceptions for early career professionals and PhD candidates. Your expertise must also align with one of Australia's priority sectors. These include resources, agri-food and ag-tech, energy, health industries, defense and advanced manufacturing, circular economy, digitech such as AI and cybersecurity, and education as an enabling sector. Next, let's talk about nomination. To apply, you need a nominator with a national reputation in the same field. This can be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, eligible New Zealand citizen, or an Australian organization. They must submit Form 1000 outlining your achievements and why you should be nominated. If you cannot find a private nominator, South Australia offers a state nomination option. This is open to global researchers, entrepreneurs, investors, creative professionals, and other globally talented individuals. On a case-by-case basis, state nomination with South Australia. Step 1. Submit a registration of interest, ROI, via the Skilled and Business Migration portal. Step 2. Participate in an interview assessment with South Australian government representatives. Step 3. If successful, receive state nomination and proceed to lodge your expression of interest, EOI, with the Department of Home Affairs. NIV application process breakdown. Step 1. Secure a nominator. Step 2. Prepare your documents. This includes your CV, evidence of achievements, proof of income capacity, and evidence that your expertise matches a priority sector. Step 3. Submit an expression of interest to the Department of Home Affairs. Step 4. Wait to receive an invitation to apply. Step 5. Lodge your Subclass 858 application. Step 6. Await the visa outcome. Other states and territories also support 858 nominations. Please consult us for more details. Now let's look at the benefits. This visa offers permanent residency immediately upon approval. There is no English language requirement, though a second VAC installment may apply. There is no age cap or points test. No employer sponsorship is needed. You get priority processing, access to Medicare and public education, and a pathway to Australian citizenship. Now let's talk about common mistakes to avoid: not finding a qualified nominator, submitting a generic or weak CV, failing to prove international recognition, providing incomplete or unclear documentation, or not clearly linking your expertise to Australia's priority sectors. To summarize, the National Innovation Visa offers a unique path for exceptional global talent to migrate permanently to Australia. If you are a tech entrepreneur, researcher, investor, creative professional, or leader in your field, this could be your chance to build a life in one of the world's most livable and innovative countries. Tips for success: build a strong case around your achievements, clearly align with priority sectors, secure a nominator with a national reputation, and prepare your documents carefully. Feeling overwhelmed by the process? Thinking about how to navigate the visa application? That's where Ausdirect Migration comes in. We specialize in helping you understand the requirements, prepare strong applications, and achieve your migration goals. Don't let this window of opportunity pass you by. Australia welcomes you. Ready to take the next step? Contact Ausdirect Migration today. Visit our website, link in the description below to book a consultation. Let our team provide a personalized action plan for you and your family. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Ausdirect Migration channel, like and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future updates on Australian immigration. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Ausdirect Migration, your trusted partner on your journey to Australia.